Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we would be looking at YFI or YEARN Finance, currently ranked at 184 with a market cap of about $190 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $19.38 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? So on the day we are up about 1.3% right here for YFI, and without further ado, let us basically move to the chart, right? We are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And so one of the things we have been looking at right here for YFI was basically we saw that cross, right? We have drawn all our support and resistance levels because we said prices always move from level to level, level to level, and we said YFI always respect all our levels, right? And one of the things we were expecting was that we wanted to see our price, this golden cross, happen right here. As you can see, the 50 EMA push above the 200 EMA right here for YFI, right? And so basically what we saw was that we saw this cross happen right here on the 23rd of October. We were seeing this sort of huge consolidation, and we were saying this is a very, very healthy consolidation, and we are expecting this very, very huge push to the upside, right? Because we were saying we needed to see price come and retest this 50 EMA and basically see some sort of impulsive push to the upside, right? Another thing we were looking at right here is that basically if you just look at the volume profile, right, you would see that we were seeing major selling price action going on, but as you can see, we have not been able to push below the 200 or the 50 EMA. Now, this is very, very bullish, right? Especially that the bears weren't able to push us below both the 50 and the 200 EMA, and we could see some sort of impulsive push to the upside. And we were expecting that push to be first to the $6,331 level, which is about an impulsive pump of about 11%. And we could see prices go as high as the $7,444 level, which is about a pump of about 30%, right? So we should be expecting that 30% pump to the upside right here for YFI over the next few days, as YFI still looks bullish and is still bullish, as we have just been seeing this consolidation ready for a huge impulsive push to the upside. So basically YFI is still bullish. We are still expecting furthermore push to the upside, and if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.